Good morning, class. Miss D here. Today we're going to start down the path of learning Introduction to Microsoft Word 2010. This is part 1. How to navigate in Word. So if you don't know how to open Word, go back to my video on how to open up Microsoft Word. I do give you a lot of details on how to open up Word. Today we're going to learn how to navigate in Word, some of the shortcut keys in Word, some of the toggle switches, how to add a page number, how to add a cover page, how to add headers and footers, how to change the automatic save button, the timing of that, and how to add items to our quick access toolbar. So let's get started. Once you open up Word, and I have done that, you can see Word is open here, you will see a ribbon. This area is called a ribbon. Above the ribbon you have different tabs, your File tab, your Home tab, your Insert tab, your Page Layout tab, your Reference tab, your Mailings tab, your Review tab, your View tab, your Add-ins tab. And on this document, because we have tables, we have a Design tab and a Layout tab. I'm going to click on the Home tab. This is the Home tab. Within this Home tab, you have different commands. The Home tab resides on the Clipboard group. This area is called your Clipboard, and this is the group. This is your Font group, and this is your Paragraph group. This is your Styles group, this is your Editing group, and this is your Privacy group. Within each group, you have a launcher. This is called the Clipboard launcher, the font launcher, the paragraph launcher, the styles launcher. And some of the groups don't have launchers. So if I clicked on the font launcher, it would give me some commands that I could use within the font group. Okay, so make a note of that because you will have to know which tab resides in which group. Okay? We go to the bottom of the screen, we have your status bar. This area is called the status bar. Okay? This is the status bar. It's called that because it tells you the section of this document, the pages. I'm on the 3rd page, but I have 4 total pages, and how many words are in each section. As you can see, in the first section, I have 1,359 words. I can also spell check my document from this area, and if I wanted to, I could write a macro. If I go all the way over to my right, I have your print layout, which that is what I'm on now, the print layout view. You also have your full screen view, and this is what the full screen view looks like. My computer is running just a little bit slow because I'm cleaning it up, so I apologize for that. You also have your web layout view, you have your outline view, and you have your draft view. We'll get into those different views a little bit later. You have your zoom slider, so you can zoom in, which makes your document a little smaller, or you can zoom out, which makes your document a little larger. And I'm going to zoom in because I want my document to be just right at 100 instead of at 260. You can click on these different commands, or you can move the slider over to where you want it to be. So this is at 100, and I'm going to let it stay there. We're going to click on the File tab. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to change the save command. Okay, the automatic save command. So we're going to click on the file, which I did, go down to options. Okay, then we're going to click on the save command. And we're going to go right over to where save auto recover information every 11 minutes. We're going to change that. We're going to make that every 3 minutes. So we're just going to click the down arrow until you get to 3 minutes, which we have here, and then click your OK button. And now, instead of our document saving every 11 minutes automatically, it will save every 3 minutes. Now, you see in this document, we have these paragraph markers. And this is turned on by our show hide button in the paragraph group. So this is the paragraph group, and this command is our show hide button. If I click it, you can see all those little marks go away. They're called non-printing marks. If I click it again, it's called the show hide command. If I click that command again, all these little marks come back in to our document. These are called non-printing characters or commands, okay? Now this particular command, this one right here, I'm going to erase that just so you can see. If I press Shift and enter on my keyboard, that's how I get that marker. This is a paragraph marker, so I'm going to take it away by deleting it. And then if I just press enter on my keyboard, that's how I get that type of marker. Okay, so just to give you some information, this show hide command is a toggle because it turns off and on, so it toggles. Your bold command is a toggle switch, turns off and on. So if I highlight river mileage and I want to turn the bold off, I just click it, the highlight goes away. You can see the river mileage is not highlighted anymore. So I want to highlight it, make it bold. There you go, now it's bold. So this command is a toggle switch. We have another toggle switch that I would like for you to know, and that toggle switch is for the ruler, and it's right over here. So right now you see we can actually see our horizontal ruler, but if we did not want to see this horizontal ruler, we would just click this toggle switch, the view ruler command, and it would go away. And I click it again, and it comes right back. The same with the ribbon. Let's say that I don't want to see this ribbon, and because I want more room to work. So what I would do is on my active tab, I would double click and it would go away. If I wanted to bring it back, double click and it comes right back. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and add, I'm just looking at my time here just to see how much time I have. Okay, it looks like I'm good in time. Let's go ahead and insert a page number. All right, so I'm going to click on my insert tab and I'm going to go to the header and footer group and I'm going to click on the command page number. I can add a page number to the top of my page. Just click on top of page and then add any page number I like, and you can scroll down to find the page number that you like, whichever one you like, and my computer is just a little slow, and you can add that particular page number if you want it at the top of the page. You can also add a page number at the bottom of the page, and you can scroll down, and these names are basically in alphabetical order, and this is your thick line, and we have to wait till it comes up, and there it is, your thick line. So if you wanted that particular page number, you just click on that. Okay, I don't want a page number, I'm just showing you, so I'm not going to click on any at the moment. If I wanted to add a header and footer, again, I would go to the header and footer group, click on header, and then I would view the headers that I wanted, and I would pick one. They're in alphabetical order, so you can pick any header that you would like. Same with the footer. Click on the command footer, and then you can add any footer to your page that you would like, or to your document that you would like. Okay. At the top of your ribbon, you have a quick access toolbar. Okay, this quick access toolbar can be customized. Okay, so we're going to customize this quick access toolbar right now. So to customize, you click on the File tab. Then you go down to Options, and then you go to Quick Access Toolbar, and let's scroll down to find Print and Preview Print, and these are in alphabetical order, and here it is. So you just click on that command, and then you click the Add button. Okay, and then you click the OK button, and you can see that my print, preview, and print are up here. That command is up here. It wasn't up there before. Okay, so that's how you add items to your quick access toolbar. Now, the only item that we have to do now is to add a cover page. So you click on your Insert tab, click on Cover Page, icon Cover Page, and you can add any cover page you want. And I'm going to go down till I see one that I like, and they're all in alphabetical order as well. So I think I want this one. And my cover page will appear, and it is at the top. Okay, so I'm going to undo that because I don't want this particular cover page, but I just wanted to show you how to add a cover page. I want to show you a few shortcuts. One shortcut is if you click on your computer, Control and A, it will highlight your entire document. That's a shortcut way to highlight your entire document. Just click on the white area to take the highlight away. If you want to go home, just click Control Home, and it takes you to the top of your document. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you.